This is a recreation of a video I did while changing the flax stuffing box. Notice we've got the bolts out already. We're trying to get the flange moved back. Years and years of built up salt crust. There, it's coming. We're not hurting anything with the hammer. Notice it's not a giant hammer, it's a small beater. Yay! Now the fun starts. Got to pull out that packing. There should be 3 wraps. And of course we're in the boat yard. You can hear somebody outside the boat grinding on the hull. Not grinding on the hull, but grinding on the propeller, the rudder, and the shaft. This is a trick I learned in Martha's Vineyard. Use a tapping screw, very long tapping screw or a very long wood screw. Hopefully it's a Phillips head. Drive it in with the hammer to get it started. Then use a screwdriver to keep on screwing it in as much as possible. And of course then if this is easy, not difficult, but if you're doing this in the water, you'll have some water coming into the boat. Hold on, hold your breath. Ah, there we go. So not much came out that try, so we've got to keep on trying and trying and trying. And again, if you're in the water, the boat's floating, a lot of that debris will be forced out with the water flow. And if you're worried about your boat sinking, keep in mind that water weighs about 1/2 pound psi per vertical foot. So if this is 2 feet underwater, there, that's better. This is 2 feet underwater, you only have about 1 psi of water pressure coming in. And you're not going to have 2 inches worth of water coming in because the shaft is in there. So it's a little frightening, but if you understand physics, it's no big deal. There, so stay tuned for part 2 coming up tomorrow.